someone spread this rumor that Nagaland are man-eater, and they got suspicious after seeing me. Oh, meet Nagaland Minister Temjen Imna. His scene of Homer has made him the internet favorite. People say North Eastern have teeny eyes. Yo, hello everyone, Nagaland people, Bamba Club, love from Africa, and yeah, it's gonna be my second video reaction to Nagaland people suggested by the Nagaland people only, guys. So previous I reacted to the Voice of Nagaland one music videos, and I really enjoyed, and I came to learn about their culture, their traditional dress, and how amazing is their talents when it comes to singing, guys. So today we are checking meet Nagaland Minister Temjen Imna along, who is now internet favorite person. Yeah, suggested video only. I'm so curious to know. Even me, I never have idea about the Nagaland Minister, right? So I don't know so much also about the Nagaland people, their culture, tradition. I only know so much about Meghalaya people because I'm regularly reacting to them. And just if you are watching from Nagaland, or if you know something from Nagaland, or you are from Nagaland, let me know. Tell me more also about you people. So without wasting time, kindly subscribe also to this channel because we are going to drop more videos to you guys. And without wasting time, let's go. Someone spread this rumor that Nagaland are man-eater, and they got suspicious after seeing me. Oh, meet Nagaland Minister Temjen Imna. His scene of Homer has made him the internet favorite. People say North Eastern have teeny eyes. Because of his eye or what? My eyes are teeny. Because I have teeny eyes, let's start to get into my eyes. Or you can also sleep during long speech. This guy is funny. He's funny. You can sleep during long speech. No one will know because your eyes are so tiny. I never knew this guy is so funny. State BJP president of Nagaland since January 2020. So he has now 4 years when he is busy with government duties. Wow, this guy is so funny, guys. I just want to speak little bit about him. First of all, I like his hairstyle, guys. See, he's living his dream, his life, guys. You know, I used to think if you become a president or someone in the parliament, you have to look like this type of hairstyle will not make sense for me and like that. But I'm just so happy seeing how the other countries living their life, guys. Like for us African, having this kind of hairstyle or same like the Temjen hairstyle, I think people will make fun of you, but I'm just happy seeing him being such. I think he's the happiest president that I'm seeing now, guys. Let's check more. Start. Yeah, recently he shared a screenshot on Twitter. Yeah? People love him, I think. Yeah, people will definitely love him. The man is single. Google said excite me. I am still looking for her. Offer to help him out along road. Wow. On World Population Day, he argued people to remain single like him. So he's single for him. When he first visited Delhi in 1999. When I first come to Delhi and go to the old Delhi railway station, I saw more people there than the entire population of Nagaland. I was so that's very true. They used to ask me, where is Nagaland? Do we need visa to visit Nagaland? Someone is this rumor that Nagas are man-eater. And they got suspicious after seeing me. He also spoke about the kind of racism he faced while visiting the Taj Mahal. I want to see the Taj Mahal in 1999. The time I was joining in the cave. Come on, people. When I reached the counter after a long time, two men took me to another cave. I was asked to pay $20 USD as interest. I had to convince that I am an Indian. Oh my gosh. I am from Nagaland. Wait till it doesn't. That's true. That's very true. With his growing popularity on Twitter, he thanked everyone for their love. And did so with
For more informative videos like this.
Wow, this is so informative, and this is so fun to watch. To know that Nagaland people, hello people, hello Nagaland people. Just believe me, you have amazing leader, inspiring leader. I really love the way he speaks, and he also speaks good Hindi and English also, guys. He just remind me when I visit also. I visit Taj Mahal, guys. Like, yeah, it's for foreigners, so you have to pay like in USD, or maybe they will charge. Like currently, they charge people, the local people, Indian has to pay 50 rupees to enter the Taj Mahal, but foreigners has to pay something like 1100. Guys, this is really too much, and this is for foreigners. So people from Northeast or others or the Indians who look like the foreigners, they are really facing that bad feeling, I think, when they go Taj Mahal, because the way they look doesn't look similar to the real Indian. I don't know, is it not real India? But they don't look, because Indian people who are known, mostly they are not looking like people from Northeast. So I'm sorry to say that, but this is the reality. This is what I came even to know. And I also do have a lot of my friends in college who came from Northeast, and they're also being treated like us, like foreigners. They think they are not Indians until they show their Aadhaar card, guys. It's okay, people. I'm just so happy to see how India is diverse, and they have people that really look unique and different. So something nice. Temjen, guys. You just have to live your life like him, guys, to be inspiring people by your experience and your story. This is really amazing. Love from Africa. I really love this video. Do subscribe, guys, to watch more Nagaland reaction video and Meghalaya videos, guys. Love from Africa. Feel free to suggest more content. Peace out. Stay safe. Maybe soon I'll visit Nagaland, Shillong, Meghalaya. I'm currently in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.